Shari Philamahala here at the Graphic 45 office. Okay, card makers, let's get artsy with our Volume 11 card kit. You can see Nancy Wethington, who created these, really went above and beyond, showcasing how to utilize all of the cut-aparts and these gorgeous papers. So inside there is a great diagonal pop-up, really adding that delightful element for whoever is going to be receiving these cards. And then we're going to polish it off with those gorgeous Graphic 45 metal clock keys and pick up the kit to create all 6 of these. Do you have a favorite card? What are you thinking you're going to use these cards for? I think they're going to be great for birthday, thinking of you, any celebratory event. This is our Volume 11 Let's Get Artsy card kit. When you pick up our Let's Get Artsy Volume 11 card kit, you're going to get all of the goodies you see here. So let's just walk you through this 8x8 Let's Get Artsy. You're gonna get 24 of these double-sided sheets. There's gorgeous papers in here. You get 3 of each of those. There's cut-aparts with journaling backgrounds, gorgeous B-sides and A-sides, of course. So many great cut-aparts for your cards, but also you're gonna have leftovers to create extra fun projects with as well. Of course, you're gonna need your card bases. These are our A2 Ivory card bases with envelopes. You get 6 of each of those. The project sheet with step-by-step directions. The natural linen ink pad. We love these for antiquing up those edges. The Graphic 45 metal clock keys, 6 of those. And then you're gonna get, for the first come, first serve, these super fun Graphic 45 Create Joy buttons. You can add these to your purse, your tote bag, your crafting apron, and collect those. And then of course, a zip top bag to store all of your leftover goodies. Pick up that kit and let's get started.